Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Javed. Today we have a very special guest, Sakshi. So Sakshi, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yes. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi, good
I am
evening.
Sakshi Raj. I am from Bihar and I am a student of English literature.
Oh, that's great, English literature. So
Yeah.
may I know why did you choose English literature?
Yeah, because I love the English language. That's why I choose English literature.
Okay, so you
And
wanna
also, I always feel passionate and determined to learn the English language.
that I can
And I
see.
hope I will do my best in this.
So without further
Yeah.
ado, I would like to ask you more questions. Are you ready for that?
Yeah, sure. I'm ready.
That is great. So the very first question for you is, how do you spend your free time?
In my free time, I like to read the books, so I like to spend my time on reading the books.
Is there any?
Because books are my best friends.
Oh, that's great. Even
Yeah.
I do love reading books, and I have read several books this year too. But
Yeah.
I'd like to ask you, how did you develop that habit of reading?
Yeah, every day at least one page I try to read. From every day I do. So from this, I had been doing this from 3 or 4 months. So it's take time, but you can develop this habit.
Oh, so you started reading recently, if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
recently.
Okay, I've been doing that for past few years, maybe more than 7 or 8 years. Anyway, do you get some benefit by reading books? Like, have you seen any change in yourself?
Of course, I really books changing me a lot because before I was really hard to take a single step in my life. But when start my develop habit reading books, it really helped me a lot.
That is great, and I hope
Yeah,
you can take some good decisions to change your life as well. And you are
yeah.
already on the right path. Even most of the successful people, they all have the common thing that they read a lot. So probably if you are reading, you may become successful one day.
Yeah, maybe.
All the best for the future.
Thank you so much.
Anyway, is there anything else that you do besides reading?
Yeah, I like to listen music, gardening, and also I like to try new foods, new dishes.
Oh,
That's really give me much pleasure.
so you try new dishes, like you make or cook food, or you just go
Yeah.
somewhere in the restaurant
Make
and
cook food.
okay, that is
Yeah.
great. What's your favorite dish, if you don't mind?
Yeah, before this week I tried to egg biryani.
Egg
It was
biryani.
not so good, but egg biryani. But it was not so good, but it was fine.
So it was somewhat okay, not so delicious,
Yeah,
but
yeah, it
okay.
was okay.
Is it from YouTube or you learned it from your mom?
No, it's from YouTube.
Okay, it's from YouTube.
Yeah.
So you use YouTube as learning platform, so probably you might be watching some videos as well on the YouTube for learning English.
Yeah. Nowadays, YouTube is very important for me. Every day, I go there and start to listen. This also helping in my listening,
Hmm.
and also lots of videos I saw related to study that will help me.
That helped me.
That help me, yeah.
Okay. And have you watched our
So
videos?
yeah, of course, I also watch your videos. Your videos was also helpful to me,
And
and
I
I
hope
will
it helped.
continue this.
And now you are going to be the part of one of our videos. So that is something
Yeah.
special
I'm
for
so
me and for you as well.
I'm so excited for this. So excited. I get a chance, beautiful opportunity to talk to you. It's my pleasure. You invited me here
I'm
to
happy to have you
get
here.
to meet you. Yeah, and interact with you all. I'm
Yeah,
so excited about this.
my intention is to bring a lot of people on the platform, and by this I wanna motivate them to invest their time in studying English. So I hope
Yeah,
by watching you, a lot of people or girls or boys will get some motivation and get some reason to learning English.
yeah, yeah.
And
You are
perhaps,
doing great. Yeah, I really appreciate you for that.
thank you very much. I'm just doing my job. I started it with a great intention of helping people. Unfortunately, I have seen a lot of rise and fall, but still I'm trying to continue the job, and I hope I can do this in future too.
Yeah, best wishes for this.
Thank you very much.
I hope you will get more and more success.
Thank you. Okay, you mentioned that you like listening to music. What kind of genre do you prefer to listen to? Do you listen to classical
Yeah,
music, Punjabi, Bengali, or
yeah,
Hindi,
I
old?
love to listen all types of music, Punjabi, Hindi, Telugu. Yeah, it's okay if I don't get, I'm not able to speak, but I can enjoy.
And do you listen to English songs?
Yeah, of course. From last year, I included to listen the English song because someone said if I will listen the English song, that will really help me in my speaking. In that will give me a fluent. I will be because of that I will be a fluent speaker.
Okay.
So
So someone suggested you to listen to the song just because that can help you to enrich your vocabs or
yeah,
perhaps
yeah. I
help
saw
you to learn
on the
English.
YouTube. Someone suggested me.
It's very common, everyone does that.
Yeah.
Okay, so the last question is, who is your favorite Bollywood singer?
Bollywood singer.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shreya Ghoshal and Arjit Singh, and so many.
As expected, I was expecting for Arijit Singh, and I got it right. You like Arijit Singh. One more question that I would like to ask. Can you name some great scholars from Bihar that people should know about?
Scholars.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Uh, Chanakya, it was during the ancient time, it was very famous teacher, and Nalanda University, world famous oldest university. Here, lots of people, especially Chinese travelers, come here for they stay here and taught for 5 years. That's really
Five
interesting.
years. Wow.
5 years is a long time.
Yeah, it's really long time. And do you know the
Yeah,
Nalanda University was built by Kumar Gupta?
yeah, I know Kumar Gupta.
And I think Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president of India, he was also from Bihar.
Yeah, he was also from Bihar.
Am I right?
Yeah, I'm not sure about it.
I think he was from Bihar, and he also read in Nalanda University or in some old university of Bihar. I'm not sure of that too.
But I will search about it.
I will also
I'm
do
also a
that
little confused
after
about
this
it.
interview.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So, do you have any question for me?
Yeah, can you give me some tips for improving my writing skill as well? How can I improve my speaking?
For writing, you have to start reading books because that will give you an idea in what format things are written. So you can get a lot of structure, different structure that you might have not encountered yet from
Yeah.
books or from newspaper. And for improving your speaking skills, you are doing that here. And if you continue that, perhaps
Yeah,
that will
this is
help you
my
to improve your
first step.
speaking. Yeah,
Yeah,
I understand. It's your
and
very
I will
first
still
time.
continue.
And trust me, you're doing a great job. Considering it as your first time, you're doing a wonderful job.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, thank you so much. I will continue it, and then I will grow.
Yeah, for sure. And besides, I'm there to help you on the Facebook, and I'm helping many
Yeah,
learners
I
as
know.
like you.
I know you are always there to help me.
Yeah. So we will continue
Because
our
of you,
journey
I am
together.
here today.
Oh,
Really, thank you so much
that
for it.
that
Thank
would
you
be the
so
big
much.
thing. I'm
Yeah,
I'm not going to take any credit. You are here just because of your determination. And if you are determined, you would be here forever. I mean, you would be here on the
Yes,
channel forever. Okay, with that said, with that note, let's say goodbye to the viewers and hope to see you again on the channel.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Do you have any message for the viewers?
Yeah, please like, subscribe, and share. And I hope, and also I did. It's also helped me a lot. So I think if you, I hope this will also help in your English journey.
I hope so.
So best wishes.
Yeah, let's invest for the best.
Yeah.
Goodbye, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, I'm really sorry to disturb you, but if you're somebody who's looking for English tutor, you are at the right place and we are starting a new batch. So if you want to enroll yourself, make sure you do that before the seats are out. Seats are limited, to make sure you be hurry. If you want to know the details, you can text me personally. Thank you very much. Till then, take care of yourself. Peace.